Hey guys, welcome back. This week we went to Wheaton Village in Millville, New Jersey on a homeschool field trip. That is where they make glass and pottery and you get to watch it all be done. It's really cool. We did some exploring and went past a old schoolhouse from 1876. That was a really long time ago. First stop was where they make pottery and where they work with Pyrex glass. They were making icicle ornaments and glass figures. Then we walked through the village so we can get to the museum. That was pretty interesting. The village had the largest bottle ever, so I got to stand next to it. It was way larger than me. We went to the glass studio to see a man make a vase. That was my favorite part. It was really warm in there. It was a cold day, so I didn't mind. Great store, so you can buy really great souvenirs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you next time, and bye.